Hello, my name is Kevin with Veilux, and today I'm going to show you how to add or remove a label on your PTZ. Right here in the upper left hand corner, which we talked on how to label it in a previous demonstration, I'm going to show you now how you can remove this label or add this label on your IP on the Veilux IP camera. First, you would need to access the system controller, which would bring up this one. We can see right here that the ID camera is 3, so we would need to hit 3 cam. This will access camera 3. Next, we will hit menu, and this will bring up the main menu of the PTZ. In order to add and remove the label, we will need to access the dome setup. In order to access the dome setup, you need to hit the right arrow down here. This will access the dome setup. As I've spoken in a previous, this is where you would label the camera. But in order to change or to have it on and everything, we would need to go to the next page in order to have the label shown on the camera, or to have it removed if you do not want the label shown on the camera. You would go down to the next page and hit right click. Next, you would need to go down to OSD display and do the right click again, or the right arrow again. Here is where camera ID. This is where you would hit right click, and this would take off the screen where it says cam 1. Then you would go down to previous page. Oops, went too far there. And then hit click. And then we would go down again to previous page and hit the right arrow again. Then we would go down one and hit save and exit and hit the arrow, right arrow. And then we're at the main menu. Then I would hit up where we can just go directly to exit, hit the right arrow, and now as you've noticed, the camera display is off. If you do not have the camera display, you would follow the same functions we just did, and you would see that the camera display is turned off. So then you would turn that on, and your display would be labeled whatever you labeled it. Thank you for watching this Veilux demonstration on how to turn on and off your Veilux IP label, or how to turn on and off your Veilux IP camera label.